Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the correct carbide tooth cold saw blade for stainless. This reduces heat and work hardening. Once chosen, place the flat bar in a rigid vise or mill vise and install soft jaws to prevent marring. Mark the intended cut with a scribe and leave about 1/16 inch for the kerf so you don't undershoot. Now align the blade with the mark, lower the saw to check clearance, and get a steady hand on feed controls before you switch the saw on. With the saw running at a low to moderate speed, engage coolant flow to the cutting zone. This prevents glazing and reduces work hardening. Feed the bar steadily into the blade, maintain constant pressure, and resist the urge to force it, because forcing raises temperature and chews the teeth. Once you hear a consistent, even tone, keep going until through cut. If the sound drops or sparks increase, back off and let coolant recover the cut face. Make sure chips clear. Pause briefly to reposition coolant if needed. Once the cut is complete, unclamp the part and inspect the edge for burrs and heat tint. File or use a 1/4 grinding wheel to deburr and apply a 1/32 inch chamfer. If you see blue or brown heat tint, treat with pickling paste or remove with light grinding to restore corrosion resistance. If the blade stalls mid-cut, immediately stop the machine, retract the blade, clear chips, and check coolant. A dull blade must be replaced. That's the only reliable fix for poor cutting performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.